I'm very happy that I came to Santorini to do this training with YogaWorks. I think Santorini is a very special place to be and to practice yoga, and practicing yoga every day with a view on the sea is a very unique experience. I really appreciated that very much, and hold on.
Okay.
I really enjoyed the focus that was given to details in this training. This will not only help me to try being a good teacher, but also it will help me a lot in my own practice. What is also what I really like about this method, the YogaWorks method, is that you really learn how to put a sequence together that makes sense and, for example, warms up the body parts that you would need later throughout the practice. It's a very simple system somehow, and I would have never thought it possible that I would be able to put down a sequence after studying 3 weeks with YogaWorks.
Mm-hmm.
So that is really amazing. And Anna has been a very good teacher. She's very focused, very details oriented, and she was always there for us whenever it was needed. And what I also really appreciated was this wonderful community that we created, the group being together all day. And I think this gives a really good opportunity to focus on yoga and to practice with people who are as addicted to yoga as I am. And it's a nice way to get out of the daily routine and really dedicate this time to yoga only.
Thank you.